Hello, migo og biga, sawadee ka Thailand. Good evening everyone. So Real Talk with me muna tayo ngayon. Marami nagtatanong, bakit hindi nila kayo bibili ng bahay dyan sa Thailand? As much as you wanted, pero hindi ka pwede. So what are the properties that we can avail here in Thailand? Aside from cars, yes, pwede kaming bumili as long as we have work permit, valid visa, at saka pera. Meron din ibang companies that they need a Thai guarantor. But, pwede ba ang house and land dito sa Thailand? First, condominium lang ang pwede naming bilhin dito sa Thailand. Yes, pag may pera ka, makabili ka dito ng condominium unit. How about house and land? Sad to say na very complicated siya, lalo na sa mga documents dahil hindi kami Thai citizen dito. Pero kung gusto mo talagang you really wanted to own a land here in Thailand, yes, we call it a long-term lease in land. About 30 years, not more than 30 years, i-lease mo yung land. After 30 years, you will renew that one. It depends on you kung i-renew po ba siya. So medyo hassle siya, no? So better to own a condominium unit rather than building a house in Thailand, which is very limited lang ang access mo dito. I hope this can help, and good evening everyone. God bless.